guys, welcome to another episode of In My City with SS Beauty by Shoppers Stop. I'm Ashwati Balakrishnan and today I'm going to take you around my city, Bangalore. It's going to be a mix of my favorite things, food, shopping and of course a fragrance moment. But first, skincare. So I start with the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. I love how it makes my skin feel. It is super lightweight and gives my skin that nice dewy glow. Then I go in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. It keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. Sunscreen is a must and the Beauty of Joseon Sun Relief is my go-to. I just love how it makes my skin feel. I like to go in a lot when it comes to sunscreen. It's super lightweight and does not make my skin feel greasy. Love it. First things first, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prep my skin. Next up, the MAC Studio Fix Foundation. I love the formulation and the finish. Quick brows with the Benefit Woof Woof Brow Pencil. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer is a lifesaver for covering up anything in like 2 seconds. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced eyeshadow palette. Next up, going in with a liner from Sugar. I love how the L'Oreal Paris Panorama Mascara just makes my lashes look so fuller. A little bit of MAC Powder Blush to get that sun-kissed look. The Bobbi Brown Highlighter to add that subtle glow. For lips, I'm obsessed with the Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color. Feels so good and looks even better. Lastly, the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over Setting Spray. And my makeup isn't going anywhere. Now that we're done with makeup, I'm going to move on to fragrance. For fragrance, I'm going with Lancôme Idole. It's got to be my most complimented scent. It's got the perfect balance of fruity, floral and a hint of warmth. Just fresh enough for the day but still has that cozy vibe. Quick outfit check before I leave the house. If you're from Bangalore, you already know Rameshwaram is the spot for South Indian breakfast. I got my usual crispy ghee dosa and of course filter coffee. I love it. Okay, time to head to my next stop. Something I've been so excited about. This store is a dream. SS Beauty has finally opened in Bangalore and it's literally a fragrance heaven. Like an entire store dedicated just to perfumes, body mist and everything that smells amazing. They've got everything from Carolina Herrera to YSL. Lancôme, literally all the best brands. Now if you're someone who gets overwhelmed by perfumes, SS Beauty has fragrance experts to help you out. Guess what? I think I found my new obsession, the Prada Paradoxe. Also, shout out to the staff at the store because they literally just helped me find my perfect scent without making me feel like I'm in a chemistry lab. Mission accomplished. Now on to the next stop, Commercial Street. If you love street shopping, Commercial Street is the place to be.
This place is a mix of everything. Affordable fashion, quirky accessories, pretty fabrics and endless options to explore. And the best part, you can find it all without burning a hole in your pocket.
I always feel you need patience to shop here, but when you do, you'll definitely find some gems. Okay, I think I've shopped enough and it's been such a tiring day. It's time to head back home and unwind. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. What a day. But before I crash, let's take off this makeup and do some skincare. If I were to go out tonight, YSL Libra would be my pick. Bold lavender, creamy vanilla and a hint of musk for that effortless confident vibe. Obsessed with this one. Anyway, let's move on to my nighttime skincare routine. Firstly, I take off my makeup with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I just love how it just takes off everything in just one swipe. Okay guys, cleansing done. My skin is prepped. Let's move on to serum. I absolutely love the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's magic in a bottle. Then I go in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Moisturizer, absolutely cannot do without this one. It's super lightweight, just absorbs to your skin real quick. Lastly, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask because this product is an absolute game changer.
Guess what I found out today? If you're part of the Shopper Stop First Citizen Club, you get points on every purchase, exclusive discounts, and even invites to special events. How did I not know this before? Signing up real soon.
And that's a wrap on today's adventure. If you want to check out SS Beauty or the products I've used, they're available online and in store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Time to sleep. See you in the next one. Bye.